Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today, the Prime Minister addressed the Parliament for the first time this year after being denied an opportunity in the Lok Sabha yesterday. I will explain that disruption just a bit. The Prime Minister today took floor in the Rajya Sabha and delivered a no-holds-barred speech. The budget session, which has almost begun to resemble a book fair, today saw the Prime Minister open the opposition's Hall of Shame library. What followed was a political masterclass in counter-offensive and demolition. No one was spared. From Trinamool Congress to DMK, from Aam Aadmi Party to the left, Prime Minister exposed everybody. But a special lesson was reserved for the Congress Party. From Jawaharlal Nehru to Indira Gandhi, from Rajiv Gandhi to Rahul Gandhi, Prime Minister took all to task. But let's start with the history class. Listen in to Prime Minister describing how Congress Party's leadership has constantly and consistently looked down on the people of India.
यानी पिताजी को 35 करोड़ समस्या वाले देशवासी लगते थे, अब 57 करोड़ उनको समस्या। कोई ऐसा हो सकता है जो अपने ही देशवासियों को समस्या माने? मैंने दुनिया के सामने कहा है, देश के सामने कहा है, और कहा है इसलिए नहीं, ये मेरा कन्विक्शन है। अरे चुनौतियां कितनी ही क्यों न हो, 140 करोड़ समाधान हमारे पास है। इनकी सरकार रिमोट से चलती थी, मेरी सरकार भी रिमोट से चलती है। 140 करोड़ देशवासी मेरा रिमोट है।
The moral of the story was clear. The Congress, Prime Minister said, is a dynastic party that never learned to respect the people. They only knew how to rule over them. He argued that this arrogance is not accidental, it is inherited. A generational mindset that shows when Congress disrespects the President by blocking the Prime Minister from replying to the motion of thanks. It shows when leader of opposition branded an elected MP and a union minister a traitor. It shows when the opposition resorts to intolerance instead of debate, and it shows in the entitled belief that they can even stake claim over a son.
कांग्रेस के शातिर दिमाग जिनका है, ऐसे एक युवराज ने उनको गद्दार कह दिया। अहंकार कितनी 7वें आसमान पर पहुंच चुका है इनका। चोरी करना जिनका पुश्तैनी धंधा है, जिन्होंने एक गुजराती की सरनेम भी चुरा ली, महात्मा गांधी की सरनेम चुरा ली। लाल किले से कांग्रेस के प्रधानमंत्रियों के जो भाषण है, सिर्फ उन भाषणों का एनालिसिस कर लो, आपको साफ साफ लगेगा कि न उनके पास कोई सोच थी, न उनके पास कोई विजन था, और न ही कोई इच्छा शक्ति थी। और इसका परिणाम है कि देश को इतना भुगतना पड़ा।
The Prime Minister had his script locked and loaded. After setting the stage and building the argument came the climax. After history and facts, Prime Minister went straight for the jugular. He said entitlement, arrogance and disdain don't exist in isolation. They culminate in hate. Hate for a Prime Minister who doesn't see the people as a problem, but as his source of power. Watch the Prime Minister take on those who chant Modi teri kabr khudegi and explain the desperation, the frustration and the politics of venom driving that slope.
एक तरफ देश के युवाओं के लिए मजबूत जमीन तैयार कर रहा हूं, तो कांग्रेस मोदी की कब्र खोदने के कार्यक्रम करवा रही है। और मोहब्बत की दुकान खोलने वाले मोदी तेरी कब्र खुदेगी के नारे लगा रहे हैं जी। ऐसे देश के कोटि कोटि जनों के आशीर्वाद जिस इंसान पर हो, कोटि कोटि माताओं बहनों का जिस पर रक्षा कवच हो, नारे कितने ही लगा लो, कब्र तुम नहीं खोद पाओगे।
But where was the opposition when Prime Minister was taking them to task? They had decided to bunk the parliament after crying hoarse over Prime Minister Dar Gaya yesterday. When Prime Minister actually spoke, they kept chanting slogans when he began, not the least interested in what the Prime Minister had to say, and within minutes they made a beeline towards the exit door of Rajya Sabha. Outside, Congress decried insult to its leaders, alleged that they were not allowed to speak, and Rahul Gandhi repeated, "Dar gaye."
ये लोग हमारे पार्टी को और हमारे नेताओं को अपमान करने का काम करते हैं, इसलिए हम कंडम किए हैं, हमको बात भी करने नहीं दिए। इसीलिए सारे पार्टी के नेता लोग ये तय किए कि अगर वो बात करने नहीं देते तो हम लोग वॉकआउट करना चाहिए, प्रोटेस्ट करना चाहिए, और जो अपमान ये खास करके हमारे नेताओं के बारे में किया उसको भी हम कंडम करते हैं।
So was it fear that stopped Prime Minister from speaking in Lok Sabha yesterday? Yes and no. It wasn't the fear of the opposition's question, but of an unexpected physical attack, dangers of that on the Prime Minister. This was confirmed today by the Speaker, who said he had intelligence that Congress MPs could stage an unexpected act near the Prime Minister's seat, forcing him to request the Prime Minister not to enter the House yesterday. Congress, however, called it an absolute lie, accusing the Prime Minister of hiding behind the Speaker.
प्रतिपक्ष के सदस्यों ने जो व्यवहार अध्यक्ष के कार्यालय में किया वो हमारी संसदीय परंपराओं के लिए न उचित था, और तो मैं कहूंगा कि वो एक ब्लैक स्पॉट की तरह था। मैं माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को इसके लिए आभार व्यक्त करता हूं कि उन्होंने मेरे सुझाव को माना।
Absolute lies. It is an absolute lie. There is no question of anybody raising any hands on the Prime Minister, trying to hurt him or any such thing. There is no question. So it is absolutely wrong of anybody to say that there was any such plan. There was no such plan. And I'm sorry, but the Prime Minister is now hiding behind the Speaker. They are making the Speaker say all this. Because yesterday he did not have the guts to come in the House.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, brings me to the legitimate question on the News Hour tonight. Whether it is planning attacks on Prime Minister or calling for his grave to be dug, is the Prime Minister's rising popularity driving opposition's hate for the Prime Minister? That's the question, and that's the debate on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Joining the debate tonight, Pradeep Bhandari, national spokesperson of the BJP, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, author and scientist, Vivek Srivastava, political analyst, Faizan Kidwai, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, Nivan Sharma, national spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party, Tausif Ahmed Khan, lawyer, political analyst, supports the Trinamool Congress. But my first question goes to Congress leader Ashwini Kumar Mishra. And Ashwini Kumar Mishra, I want to ask you, डरा कौन भाई? आज पार्लियामेंट से भागा कौन? Who ran away from Parliament today? Were you scared to hear the responses given by the Prime Minister? After all, you demanded those answers. You had questions. The Prime Minister was answering those questions for over 90 minutes. And what did you do? Just ran away from Parliament. I want to just ask you one question. Is the Parliament a place where people of India elect their representatives and send to ask questions, to listen to the answers, to demand further answers? Or do they choose the opposition leaders only to make a token presence and then do all the protests outside of Parliament?
नाविका जी, गुड इवनिंग टू यू, योर व्यूअर्स एंड फेलो पैनलिस्ट। डरा हुआ कौन है ये सबने देखा। आई डोंट know what Modi ji was answering to, because we were not allowed to ask the question. If you can answer without asking a question, I don't know what you'll speak of. And Modi ji exactly speak of what BJP stands for. which is Bhrashtachar, Jumlebaji and propaganda. Let me explain you the Jumlebaji of Modi ji. Modi ji talked about 140 crores Indians are their own. But the harsh reality is, Navika ji, that 10% Indians hold 60%, 58 to 60% total wealth of the country. And Modi ji is worried about only those 10%. Rest 90% are living in condition worse than Ghana. The per capita income of average Indian is around $2,800, but the bottom 90% per capita income is around $1,200, not even half of the average. If you look at other metrics, the top 5 per capita income states, and Anandji and everyone can fact check me, the top 5 per capita states are Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Haryana, if I leave UTs. And the bottom ones are Bihar, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. So this is Modi's model, where you can fuzz the number, you can create number, you can create propaganda, but you are too away from the actual facts on the ground. Modi ji also spoke about Congress destroying PSUs. Modi ji, कांग्रेस ने PSU बनाए हैं. आप बताइए ना, लास्ट 11-12 साल में आपने कौन सा PSU बनाया? आप बताएंगे तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा देश को. आपने किया क्या है? The only thing you are worried about, the only thing you did in last 10-11 years is that ensuring that your 10%.
अश्विनी जी, I'm sorry to interrupt you. आपके ये वाले जो सवाल हैं, ये तो पार्लियामेंट में उठा ही नहीं. आप तो सवाल सिर्फ एक अनपब्लिश्ड बुक से पूछ रहे थे और वो किताब लेकर राहुल गांधी घूम रहे थे. The questions you are asking tonight are not the questions that were ever intended to be asked in Parliament. So Pradeep Bhandari, what are they asking tonight? Has the question paper changed, or has their mindset changed? Because every time, and this is not the first time, every time there has been a debate in the Parliament and the Prime Minister has gotten up to respond to it, they have walked out. That is the only one constant that the opposition has done. Why do they then ask questions?
Well, Navika ji, Rahul Gandhi is like that boy in the school who will have problem with the principal, the examination center and every other student, because whenever the paper comes, Rahul Gandhi fails. So his defeat of 95 elections is now showing up on him. And rather than being a political opponent, he started to hate the people of the country. For just before beginning my argument, my dear friend Ashwini was factually very inaccurate, because India is the 4th most equal country as per the Gini coefficient. So maybe he was speaking about the Gandhi Congress party, where 99% of the wealth is controlled by the Gandhi Vadra family. But the reality is, Navika ji, that the Congress party hates the people of the country. So anybody who does good for the people of the country, the Congress party will always have issues with them. So the Prime Minister here represents whom? A man who's lifted 17 crore people out of poverty line, a man who's made India the fastest growing economy, a man who now has done the maximum trade deal, a man who also ensured that again he gave a free hand to the army so that Operation Sindoor was conducted, which the Congress party questioned. And I challenge my dear friend from the Congress party that why did you run away? He ran away because he knows that once the Prime Minister will start to speak, he will expose the fault of fake news and the entire failure of the Congress party. Is it true or not, Ashwini, that you have even stolen the surname of Mahatma Gandhi? It was Ghandy. You made it as Gandhi. The people of the country demand answers from you. So whatever the Prime Minister has said is not his words. It's the words of 140 crore Indians. So today, Ashwini ji, rather than acting like a local thug that Rahul Gandhi acted outside the Parliament by calling a Sikh as a Gaddar, or inside the Parliament where he tried to send the Member of Parliament to encircle the Prime Minister chair and attempt to physically attack him, Rahul Gandhi today has become not a leader of opposition, but a leader of anti-India forces. You even went to bracket a Naxal terrorist like Hidma as a sympathizer in your video. Shame on you, Congress party. You are really reflecting what AO made you for, which is not standing with India's interest, but standing with anti-India elements' interest. That is what you are.
Ashwini, counter.
Navika ji, first of all, Bhandari ji checked the World Inequality Report, where it mentioned that top 10% Indians hold 58% of total wealth, and bottom 50%
बात मत करो, एनजीओ की बातें मत करो, मैं वर्ल्ड बैंक को कोट
आप
कर रहा हूं।
रिपोर्ट देखिए,
वर्ल्ड बैंक
यार
इसलिए कांग्रेस
क्वेश्चन पूछा है, वर्ल्ड बैंक की रिपोर्ट दिखाइए, आप जहां दिखाइए हमारी केस स्टडी इकोनॉमी है या नहीं है, वर्ल्ड बैंक की रिपोर्ट दिखाइए हमारी केस स्टडी इकोनॉमी है।
Ashwini ji, the Prime Minister, today you're very much worried about the inequalities in India. The Prime Minister today quoted this, and this is the book of the speeches of writings of Indira Gandhi, and he quoted from here and said that Indira Gandhi said in a speech, when asked how many problems Nehru had, my father once replied, 350 million, which is 35 crore, which is our population at that time. Now, the population is 570 million, so that is the dimension of my problems, 57 crores. A Prime Minister who thinks people of the country are actually problems, Ashwini, what are you even trying to prove by the statements that you are making right now? But let me get in Faizan Kidwai. Faizan Kidwai, a simple question. The opposition has the right to raise questions. When you raise questions and in the Rajya Sabha the proceedings were on, why don't you stay back to listen to the answers? Why does Parliament time, which runs on taxpayers' money, why is it wasted when it gets time for the opposition to listen to answers and then do their cross questions? Why do you take the easy way out of the Parliament?
Good evening, Navika. See, first of all, if disruption is wrong, then you should criticize Sushma Swaraj and Arun Jaitley also, and zillion other BJP stalwarts who publicly said that disruption is way of democracy. This is the way Parliament should function because it is very important. So criticize them also. And to Pradeep, my good friend Pradeep, देखिए आपकी WhatsApp यूनिवर्सिटी ने आपको कुछ अलग दे दिया. मोदी जी says 25 करोड़ लोगों को आप निकाला, आपने भी 17 करोड़ बोला, तो आपने थोड़ा कम कर दिया. I'm sure they'll get angry with you. But इसके साथ साथ there's another thing which should be known to the people of India that when they chill आप बोल रहे थे मेरे भाई, मैं बीच में नहीं बोला ना, ऐसे ही करते हैं ना. बोलिए आप अभी आपको बहुत कुछ बताना पड़ेगा, अभी तो भी दे रहा हूं.
Pradeep, let's follow decorum. Please don't interrupt. Faizan Kidwai, carry on.
जी. तो this 25 crore figure, first of all, this comes from a multi-dimensional poverty index, which figures only access to services, not real income. On the other hand, you yourself, your government says that 82 crore people don't have food. तभी तो फ्री राशन दे रहे हैं, वरना क्या सबके पास पैसा तब भी दे रहे हैं? ऐसा नहीं है. तो first of all, ये claim is very hollow. See, Navika, the problem with Mr. Narendra Modi and the entire brigade, this right-wing brigade, is in their insatiable desire to humiliate Pandit Nehru and disrespect Pandit Nehru. What they are doing is they are disrespecting the entire brigade of our founding fathers of modern India collectively. Either it be Pandit Nehru who gave us IITs, IIMs, dams, ISRO, or Sardar Patel, whom BJP constantly uses for political benefits, or even Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar, who was opposed by Bharatiya Janata Party's ideological parent. His effigies were burned by RSS, calling him anti-Hindu when he was bringing the Hindu Code Bill, and also they refused to acknowledge the constitution framed by Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar. So they are humiliating the spirit of India. And Mr. Modi made a lot of claims. I went through it and point by point I have rebuttal for everything. See, first of all, when Mr. Modi speaks about NPS khatam ho gaye, so let me put this very interesting fact in front of you viewers. The data shows between 2014 till 25, they have written off around 14.5 lakh crores, written off as bad loans. They haven't recovered it. They have written it off in the favor of the rich industrialists. आप गरीबों का नहीं किया है, आप गरीबों का नहीं किया है. Recovery rate is only 13%.
मेरे भाई, I am so appreciative of the questions you are asking. खाली जगह गलत नहीं हो गई. पार्लियामेंट में पूछ लेते मेरे भाई, पार्लियामेंट में पूछ लेते. जनता का पैसा खर्चा होता है वहां पर. People of India pay for running the parliament, and you don't use that platform to ask your question. But Anand Ranganathan, ये क्या है? सारे question out of class नजर आते हैं इनको. In the class कुछ नहीं. You know, I just wonder. And one thing that the Prime Minister really picked on, and he said, where does this hatred come from in the मोहब्बत की दुकान? मोदी तेरी कब्र खुदेगी, Modi teri kabr khudegi, and then they call themselves the propagators of Mohabbat, and then they talk about the backward caste, but when the president's address has to be debated, they don't allow the debate to happen. They will throw papers at the speaker. I just want to ask you, what is the role of parliament and what is the role of both the treasury and the opposition if all the tamasha has to happen outside?
Good evening, Navika, and good evening to my fellow panelists. You've hit the nail on the head by asking what is the role of the parliament. And I'll tell you, this country and this parliament needs a strong opposition, but not the kind of opposition that this country or this parliament has. Now, my good friend Ashwini ji शुरू में बोल दिया कि भाई मैं कुछ डेटा दे रहा हूं नाविका, आनंद जी से फैक्ट चेक करा लीजिएगा। यही गलती कर दी भाई, इसको कहते हैं उड़ता तीर लेना। जो टॉप 5 गिना रहे हैं आप, जिसमें जीडीपी पर कैपिटा है, उसमें 3 स्टेट्स तो मिस कर दिए, सिक्किम, उसके बाद गोवा, उसके बाद दिल्ली। हो सकता है आपकी जनरल नॉलेज में दिल्ली और गोवा और सिक्किम स्टेट्स है नहीं, बट एनीवे, no, one second.
Except duties.
Sorry?
I said except duties. I use the word अगर यूनियन टेरिटरीज को निकाल दें except
गोवा इज यूटी,
जो मेजर स्टेट है, बिगर साइज स्टेट, उनकी बात कर रहे हैं।
गोवा इज यूटी, सिक्किम इज यूटी,
I said small states को निकाल दें, यूटीज को निकाल दें, गोवा
कौन सा सेकंड का? नाउ प्लीज, नाउ 1 सेकंड। अब इसीलिए कह रहे हैं भैया, अपना जो बोलना है बोलो, उड़ता तीर मत लिया करो। यहाँ रंगनाथन बैठा है, फैक्ट चेक करके नीचे वो। नाउ लेट मी कम टू द मेन टॉपिक।
झूठ मत
नाविका, एक सवाल में, अश्विनी जी, दिस इज वेरी रॉन्ग। देखा, आई डिड नॉट इंटरप्ट यू यार, व्हाई? अवे फ्रॉम डिबेट यू आर वेरी कॉर्डियल। डिबेट पे आते आपको जैसे राहुल गांधी की तरह भूत सवार आते हैं। सुन लीजिए, थोड़ा धैर्य रखिए, क्रोनोलॉजी में आ रहा हूं मैं। अभी फैजान भाई बचे हुए हैं। देखिए, आप ये बताएं या ना बताएं, बट द फैक्ट इज, I don't know whether you know, but judging by your limited knowledge, you might not know. But are you telling me that Rahul Gandhi does not know that the same person whose book he is brandishing, General Naravane, a decorated soldier, also said, and I quote him, and you can fact check this time with Navika, not an inch of Indian land was given away to China. Not an inch. Navika, am I right or wrong? Now the fact is, when Rahul Gandhi knows this, when he repeatedly is trying to shoot Modi off General Naravane's shoulder, it is his duty to at least inform the parliament that he knows this as a fact. When he says Modi has surrendered, the same general has said, not an inch of our land has been given away.
What are you
now
saying?
I come to the more.
What are you saying? What are you saying?
Am I lying? Fazan bhai, am I lying?
Yes, brother, you're lying. You're lying, sir. You're lying.
General Navika, please come in now. Did General Naravane not say, in fact,
you know, Anand Ranganathan, there is a ban on repetition because since Monday I've been playing out General Naravane's sound bites ad nauseum on the channel, on the debate, on this debate at 9 p.m, at 8 p.m, at 10 p.m, during the day. कम से कम मैंने लाखों बार चला दिया है। अब जिन्होंने नहीं समझना वो नहीं समझना, वो सवाल पूछते रहेंगे, मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ?
पाकिस्तान की बात समझेंगे, पाकिस्तान से कुछ नहीं आएगा।
भाई से पूछना चाहता हूँ, 6 महीने पहले सेम फैजान भाई was saying, how dare we buy oil from Russia because all the profits are going to the elite, without in fact telling the fact that India has saved $26 billion and checked its inflation by 1.5% by buying Russian oil over Saudi oil. And right now I heard him say, why are we continuing to buy, why should we not be buying oil from Russia? Who is America to dictate? जब मन किया तो रशिया से ऑयल खरीदो। जब this is very, you are my brother, please don't interrupt.
Yes sir, but brother, why are you putting words into my mouth? मैंने कभी नहीं बोला आपसे सर।
नहीं, एक सेकंड, नरावने ने कहा कि नहीं कहा कि 1 इंच भी नहीं दिया, ये बता दीजिए।
आप मत बोलिए, मैं सुनवा देती हूँ। प्लीज लिसन इन टू जनरल नारावने।
Firstly, we have not lost out in any territory. We are where we were before this whole thing started. But as a result of this agreement, it has been reached on the principle of mutual and equal security. So I think that should be the way we look at this whole disengagement process.
And not an inch has been lost.
Not an inch has been lost.
Not an inch has been lost. How many times has General Naravane said?
May I? Now
yes,
let me.
Yes, Faizan bhai.
Please.
Yes.
Anand bhai, for your benefit, since you're my brother, मैं चाहता हूँ आपके पास सही knowledge रहे। देखिए, सबसे पहले तो there are certain satellite images which even TV had from Planet Labs. Then there is Black Sky and Maxar satellite images, sir.
You are disputing just-
No.
I'm not disputing.
No, now you are getting into territory. Faizan Kidwai,
No.
you and the opposition has been quoting General Naravne's book.
Right.
Now you are quoting somebody else. General Naravne is being quoted here. You will disown him. You will change the goalpost. It is your way or the highway. Well, the highway is shut today because you can't take your car every time and go on to a new highway. And let me get in Nivan Sharma. Nivan Sharma, you have questions, you have the forum, and I am one of those who believe that the government should have allowed Rahul Gandhi to ask any question, because General Naravne in the book, outside the book, everywhere has said he had a free hand. He was given the free hand, and within 2 hours, despite agreements with China, within 2 hours, the government decided that if there was a requirement, the military had the right to take whatever call they deemed necessary, because military decisions are independent of political interference. So they should have allowed this debate to happen. Having said that, when the response happens, भाग क्यों जाते हो भाई? मुझे ये बता दो.
Navika ji, at least you cannot tell me that ki bhag kyun jate ho, because we are the ones who are standing there. We are the ones who raised Epstein files for the first time in Parliament. We are the ones who have been raising about Epstein files. That has been the biggest concern of all the countries that are involved, jinke leaders ke naam aa rahe hain. We are the ones who raised it first in the Parliament, and we did not get any answer on that. We are the ones who raised about this dangerous trade deal that is going to affect almost all farmers in the country. Farmers are going to lose their livelihood because of this dangerous farm deal.
How?
We are the ones who raised it in the Parliament.
What will be the price? What will be the price of tomatoes? What will be the price of tomatoes once this trade deal is signed? American tomatoes, how much will they cost in India? Please tell me.
No, I am asking, will the tariff will be zero or not? You tell me.
नहीं, आप बता दो ना. आपको
You
तो
tell
सब
me
पता
the
है.
tariffs will be zero
आपको
or
तो
not?
सब पता है कि हम मर गए, लुट गए, खत्म हो गए. तो आप बता दो ना टमाटर कितने के होंगे? बताओ.
You go and ask this to the farmers who are crying over it.
Bhai, do you know the details?
American-
Because you are saying everybody will die and Indian farmers will lose their business. So I want to know what will be the price of tomatoes. Please tell me so that I can raise that issue on national television. No, that this is going to be the impact.
Navika ji, right
आपको
now,
पता है?
Navika ji, मुझे पता है. आप मुझे बोलने दीजिए.
हाँ, बोलिए.
Do you know how much tariff right now India is imposing on the imports on American goods? Do you know that?
Yes.
It's more than 50% right now. And if we are going to make it zero, is it going to affect the Indian market or not?
But do you
Indian
know?
farmers or not?
Do you know
I'll
which?
give you a small
Do
example.
you know which group of vegetables and fruits and farm products will have what duty rate? Do you know that?
This is what, if you want to go in the technicalities, I'll go into that.
What
I'll
is
tell
the
you how it's
technicality?
going to-
You
how
know,
is it going
if there is blueberry import at 0%, how does that bother you? Because blueberries are not grown in India, my friend.
नाविका जी, मुझे कंप्लीट तो करने दीजिए एक सेंटेंस. बोलने तो दीजिए. कैसे पता लगेगा? आज अगर आप टेक्निकलिटीज में जाना चाहते हैं, आज जो कपास है, जो कॉटन है, वो इंडियन प्रोड्यूसर जो है, जो क्लॉथ प्रोड्यूसर है, वो इंडियन फार्मर से खरीदता है, और अमेरिकन कपास पे 50% उसके ऊपर टैरिफ लगता है, और वो इंडियन कपास जो है उससे महंगा हो जाता है. अगर आप उससे 50% देंगे.
Anand Ranganathan, the commerce minister has made a statement that was reiterated by the Prime Minister that the deal will be, a joint address will be made next week, but they will not wait for that. They will start talking about things that they don't know anything about what groups of products will have what rate, which will be known next week. They will ask questions only on that and say, hi mar gaye. You know, Anand Ranganathan, do you understand this level of opposition without knowing the facts?
Navika, I'll come to the trade deal in 10 seconds, but usse pehle my good friend Sharma ji from AAP, he is quite right and I agree with him, and I've told you this previously as well. Yes, the government, including Mr. Modi or somebody, must discuss Epstein's file that AAP has brought up and tell the whole parliament and the nation why the names of Narendra Modi, Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi and Arvind Kejriwal have cropped up in the Epstein's file. अब ये पूछिए इनसे, क्या आपको पता था कि एप्स्टीन फाइल में अरविंद केजरीवाल का भी नाम है? से यस और नो, से यस और नो।
कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं, कुछ भी।
डिड यू नो दिस और नॉट?
कहां की नई इंफॉर्मेशन लेके आए हैं जनाब आप?
मैं आपको अभी अगर प्रूफ दूं,
लेके आए हैं,
apologize if I give you the proof, will you apologize?
मैं आपको चुनौती देता हूं, या तो आप ये प्रूफ दीजिए इस चैनल पर, नहीं तो आप तैयार रहिए कानूनी कार्रवाई के लिए।
Well, the channel has nothing to do with this. Anand Ranganathan, if you are making a charge, then please produce the proof. It is between you and the Aam Aadmi Party, not liability of the channel.
I never say anything without proof. Now be quiet.
कानूनी कार्रवाई के लिए तैयार
रहिए। Be quiet. अरे आपके कानूनी कार्रवाई यहाँ देख लो,
के लिए तैयार रहिए।
देख लो, ये डेटा सेट में देखो, पहले ज्यादा चिल्लाना बंद करो।
तैयार रहिए।
नाविका सुनिए आप, एक मिनट।
लोग जो व्हाट्सएप,
अरे सुन लो भाई, डरो मत इतना। इतना डरो मत।
Nivan Sharma, Anand Ranganathan is making a point while, if it is not evidence, I will stop him. But let's first hear him, with your permission, Anand.
This is from the Department of Justice website. And what did I say? I said why the names of Narendra Modi, Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi and Arvind Kejriwal are in Epstein's file. Please look at this data set and click on it. What does it say? It mentions the name Arvind Kejriwal just like the names of Narendra Modi have been mentioned. And the names of...
Okay.
अभी तैयार हूं मैं, अभी तैयार हूं।
Okay. Nivan Sharma, please respond. Nivan Sharma, please respond. It's just a name. The context is not there. Nothing is there. And Anand Ranganathan, I've not seen it, so I'm not endorsing this in any way. This is, as I said, between Anand Ranganathan and the Aam Aadmi Party. But Nivan Sharma, you have a right to rebut. Please go ahead.
देखिए, जिस तरह से माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी व्हाट्सएप को कोट करके संसद में अरविंद केजरीवाल और संजय सिंह जी के ऊपर पर्सनल अटैक करते हैं, उसी तरह से इन्होंने चैनल पे आके जो झूठ परोसा है उसके ऊपर हम कानूनी कार्रवाई करेंगे। आप कानूनी कार्रवाई के लिए तैयार रहिए।
We are digressing from the debate. We are digressing from the debate. So I want to go across to Vivek Srivastava. Vivek Srivastava, my question is that the Prime Minister spoke in Parliament. In Lok Sabha, there was an untoward incident. There were reasons given by the Speaker. There was neither a discussion nor a debate and neither a response. But in Rajya Sabha, there was. The Prime Minister was responding in Rajya Sabha. Why did members of the opposition parties not stay back and listen to the response?
Nobody is willing to listen to his monologue anymore. People know that what nonsense this government is doing, how shady this new deal is. Be ready for another farmer agitation. MSP आप दे नहीं आए, American products को सस्ते में यहाँ पे आप बेचेंगे, and that has been our protesting point, not only of us, but BJP itself in Swadeshi Jagran Manch in 1990s said that allowing anything in agricultural products from abroad, even if it is cheaper, is not done because our own farmers are suffering right now. So be ready. ये बकवास जो इन्होंने करी है, एप्स्टीन फाइल्स की वजह से ब्लैकमेल हुए हैं और उसके बाद ये डील जो पोस्टपोन की जा रही थी उसको साइन किया। वेनेजुएला जिसके ऊपर अमेरिका का कब्जा है, यू आर ट्राइंग टू बाय ऑयल फ्रॉम इट। दिस इज एक मॉरल स्टैंडर्ड होता है एक देश का, एक मॉरल स्टैंड होता है। वी ऑलवेज सेड दैट यू आर अनेक्सिंग वेनेजुएला, किडनैपिंग इट्स प्रेसिडेंट इज नॉट डन, but it was done. So be ready. I mean, ये वो टाइम चला गया कि ये आएंगे भाषण में। क्या भाषण दिया है? राहुल गांधी नेम ले लिया, नेहरू। I mean, we are not coming to discuss the Gandhi family and the legacy of the Gandhi name. आप आए हैं, आप एप्स्टीन फाइल से बोलिए, आपकी ट्रंप के साथ डील है बोलिए, फार्मर्स के MSP पे बोलिए, आप नहीं बोल रहे हैं। You are only attacking the Congress party, Rahul Gandhi, the family of Nehru in person.
Pradeep Bhandari, what was the topic of the debate in Parliament? It was a debate on the Rashtrapati ji's address to Parliament. Do they want responses on everything other than what was stated in the address to the Parliament?
Navika ji, first of all, I am very shocked that Vivek Srivastava ji said that people of India want something. Well, left has lesser votes than Nota in the country today. So left and people of India should not be spoken in the same breath. Or Vivek ji की असली दर्द क्या है, उनकी मुस्कान क्यों नहीं है चेहरे पे, बताता हूं। क्योंकि चीन को 34% टैरिफ लगा है और हिंदुस्तान को 18% लगा है, जो चीन से कम है। इनका दिल मेड इन चाइना वाला दिल है, इनका दिल मेड इन इंडिया वाला दिल नहीं है। तो जब तक हिंदुस्तान का टैरिफ चीन से कम रहेगा, तब तक विवेक श्रीवास्तव को मोदी जी से दिक्कत होगी। इन सबकी दिक्कत ये नविका जी, दे ओनली अब्यूज कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल चेयर, दे डू नॉट हैव facts, that's why they run away. Recall how in the debate of Manipur, when the honorable Prime Minister started to speak, Rahul Gandhi instructed his member of parliament like a goon instructing his thugs कि जाओ पीएम की स्पीच को मत बोलने दो। आज मणिपुर के अंदर एक डेमोक्रेटिक भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार है। दैट इज द रियलिटी। अब मुझे आप बताइए विवेक जी, मैं आपसे नहीं, और मैं यहाँ पे आम आदमी पार्टी के लोग बड़ी बड़ी किसानों की बात कर रहे थे, जिन्होंने 4 लाख की मिनी बार बनाई, जिन्होंने करोड़ों का शीश महल बनाया, जिन्होंने जकूजी टब बनाए, फार्मर के पैसे को लूट लूट कर जो शीश महल बना रहे, आज उनको किसान याद आ गया। वाह भैया वाह, जरा विभान जी काला पहने हो, काले से पुराना रिश्ता है। पंजाब वाले शीश महल भी एक्सपोज होना शुरू हो गया है, ये बताओ। शर्म करो। अरे पंजाब वाला शीश महल एक्सपोज होना चालू हो गया ना, आपने भी काला पहना।
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने संसद में बता दिया कि वो भी
नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने 17 करोड़ लोगों को गरीबी रेखा से बाहर निकाला है।
मैं तो ये समझता था कि
मोदी जी ने फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग इकोनॉमी बनाई है, समझे?
प्रधानमंत्री जी ने बता दिया,
बिलीव करो उसमें फर्जी फाइल में। आपका क्या रिश्ता चल रहा है शीश महल के अंदर? आपका क्या शीश महल चल रहा है रिश्ता अंदर? आपके शीश महल में क्या हो रहा है सबको पता है। आपके शीश महल में क्या क्या हो रहा है सबको पता है। दिल्ली वाला शीश महल बंद हो गया तो जाके पंजाब वाले शीश महल में हो गए। अरे आपके अंदर शीश महल फाइल्स का क्या हुआ? शीश महल फाइल्स का क्या हुआ?
You know, this is not the parliament, so let's not heckle each other. Parliament में आप करते ही हैं, let it be for parliament. But Tausif Khan, my question to you is, the Prime Minister has spoken. He's given a report card of his time in office over the last 11 years, and he has given details. I'm sure leaders of opposition would have had many questions based on the response given. And there were many statements made before the Prime Minister responded. I just want to ask you, what is the point of having a 2-day debate and then the opposition not waiting to hear the answers? And this is neither the first time, and I don't think this is the last time. I also asked the question of Modi teri kabr khudegi, boti boti kar denge. If you expect love, then you have to give love. If you forget love, at least some respect to the position of the Prime Minister, the position of the President, the President's address that is taking place, the debate on that. If everything is just cast aside, then what is this Constitution Bachao that the opposition is all about?
Navika, you're talking about the position of Prime Minister. The position of Prime Minister is nothing more than a servant of the people, which according to his own words, he said, "Main Pradhan Sevak hu." That's what he calls himself. And how is it that every session of Parliament, whether monsoon or summer or winter, Prime Minister repeats the same old tape recorder? Nehru was wrong, Gandhi was wrong, Nehru was wrong, Gandhi was wrong, all other opposition parties wrong, only the Prime Minister himself is right. We are not interested in this. We want to know what is Prime Minister's role in Epstein file. The allegation and the mere clarification that Prime Minister was dancing on that Prime Minister was in Israel
Banerjee's role in
fact
private
admitted by
corruption
the
scandal.
MP.
That is what we want to
Only
know.
one sentence that Prime Minister was dancing on Indian national song is not going to help. We want to know
the Supreme Court even did not mention it.
Why was he working for America's interest? As has been alleged in Epstein file about Prime Minister. That Prime Minister, why Anil Ambani...
About America's interests, I don't know, but there are mentions about Rahul Gandhi, there are mentions about Sonia Gandhi in the Epstein files as well. Why, if you want to discuss and debate the Epstein files, files, my friend, I have no objection. But the forum to put a question and a request for the debate is the parliament, sir. I don't have a problem and I'm neither going to give the ruling. Anand Raghunathan, all of them have questions on the Epstein files, but they will not ask the parliament for the correct rule under which a discussion, a debate can take place. They will come and raise it outside the parliament. And that is what I don't get. The problem is they will believe in General Narwane, but not believe the word he says, believe his version of the book he's written in a magazine. Why don't they go with what is stated by people rather than what is opinionated by other people?
PM Modi did not come to
because now 1 second, Tausif, 1 second. Now, and I'll tell you the reason why, Navika. I'll tell you the Tausif, yeah, please wait for your turn. I've been waiting very
all right, Anand, running out of time. Make your point.
Thank you. Look, nowhere in the Epstein file, the absolutely wrong and defamatory assertion by Pawan Khera that Epstein said Modi took my advice. That word "my" has been added slanderously. Epstein is being told the names of politicians from Modi to Kejriwal to Sonia Gandhi to Rahul Gandhi. Nowhere does it say that he is in association with them or he has spoken to them or he has advised them. It is wrong and slanderous. You want to discuss this, be my friend. But the fact of the matter is that in Parliament, let it be known that you are not there to ask probing questions to the government, which you have left it to the citizens of India. So I ask this government, what is your position on public sector units? When today it is embarrassing that two panelists out here are fighting with each other to say we need to keep the public sector alive. Whereas we should be privatizing it.
But that is not a question that the parliamentarians ever raise in parliament. What we do here is only slogans, protests, placards and ho halla. That's what parliament has come down to session after session, year after year. So ladies and gentlemen, we did a snap poll. With his Modi Teri Kabr Khudegi takedown, has Prime Minister Modi dug the grave for opposition's narrative? Yes say 85% of the people, no say 11%, 4% people don't have a view. 85% of the people actually say that Modi has killed the opposition's narrative. Modi nahi dar gaya, aap bhag gaye. That is what people believe. And you should not have done that, because every opportunity to raise questions on behalf of the citizens of India is what you've been voted to do. But are you performing your duty? Well, the people of this country will answer that question. We leave it at that. Thank you very much to all my panelists joining me on debate number 1.